Have you ever searched for a word in WhatsApp chats? Or checked if your favorite game is already installed on your phone? JavaScript can do the same thing. And today, I'll show you one small but powerful method that does exactly this. It's called .includes. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll fully understand it, even if you're new to JavaScript. What is .includes? The .includes method is used to check if something exists. It answers only one question. Is this thing present or not? And the answer is always true or false. Where can we use .includes? We can use .includes with strings and arrays. Let's start with strings because they're easier. .includes with strings. Imagine you have a sentence. Let message equals I love JavaScript. Now you want to check, does this sentence contain the word love? You can do this. Message.includes love. The output is true because love is inside the sentence. Another example. Message.includes hate. The output is false because the word hate is not there. Case sensitivity, important rule. .includes is case sensitive. That means JavaScript is not the same as JavaScript. For example, let text equals JavaScript is fun. Text.includes JavaScript. The output is false. But text.includes JavaScript. The output is true. Tip: uppercase and lowercase matter. .includes with arrays. Now let's talk about arrays. An array is just a list. For example, let fruits equals apple, banana, mango. Now check, is banana in the list? Fruits.includes banana. The output is true. Example, item not found. Fruits.includes orange. The output is false because orange is not in the list. Think like real life. Imagine you open your school bag. Inside your bag, books, pen, pencil. You ask, do I have a pen? That's exactly what .includes does. Student example, easy to understand. Let students equals Ali, Sarah, John. Check if Sarah is in class. Students.includes Sarah. The output is true. .includes with numbers. Yes, it also works with numbers. Let numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Numbers.includes 20. The output is true. Common beginner mistake. This will not work. Numbers.includes 20. The output is false. Because 20 is a string, JavaScript sees them as different. Gaming example, fun one. Let games equals PUBG, Minecraft, GTA. Check if GTA is installed. Games.includes GTA. The output is true. Check for Free Fire. Games.includes Free Fire. The output is false. Using .includes with if statement. This is how it's used in real programs. Let email equals student@gmail.com. If email.includes at console.log valid email, else console.log invalid email. Very useful for form validation. .includes checks if something exists, works with strings and arrays, always returns true or false, is case sensitive. If you understand .includes, you are already thinking like a real programmer. If this helped you, keep coding.